back to another episode of Stitch on Saturday. Um, One of my subscribers gave me an idea. This was not originally part of the series, but today I'm going to be showing you how to add a border to your Tunisian Crochet Entrelac so that it, is finished pretty much. I have three other tutorials. I did a 3-part series where I take you through each row and how to complete it for the Tunisian Entrelac stitch. I think it's this way actually. So basically what we're going to do is we are going to add a border, and basically what that means is we're going to be adding triangles into these L spaces and then single crocheting around, and I'll show you what that looks like. So you can start anywhere really. I'm gonna start at the top over here. Today I'm using my Clover Amour L11 8mm hook. And the best part about Entrelac, Tunisian Entrelac, is that you can use a regular crochet hook. And I'm using my Mary Maxim Starlit yarn. This is light aqua. And I've linked to the materials in the description, so you guys can go and grab some. But definitely you can work this up with any worsted weight yarn you have in your stash and an L11 8mm hook. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to do a slip knot and just go into the corner here and just anchor the stitch here. So, alright, so I'm going to pick up, so 1 and then, oops, I'm going to the next one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'll go through this, 6, and then 7. All right, so now we have 7 loops on here. Then we're going to pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 until we have 3 loops remaining on the hook, and then we're going to pull through all 3, and then we're going to continue as we did in our previous rows, except this time we're going to skip that first stitch. So we're going to go into the next one, pick up a loop, all the way across. I'm picking up a loop, and then we're going to pick up a loop into this here, and then pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and then again we have 3 remaining. We're going to pull through all 3. Again, skip that first bar, go into the next one, all the way across. We are going into these stitches and then pull up a loop and then all the way across, and then we have 3 remaining, pull through all 3. So you can start to see sort of a triangle forming here. Right, and then we're going to skip that first one, go into the next one, go into the next one, and then we are going to pull through 2 and then pull through all 3, and then skipping that first one, going into this, and then we are going to go here and then pull through all 3, and then we are going to slip stitch into that first, the top of the next diamond. So you can see we've created a triangle. So we're going to go and do that all the way around. So let's do the same thing here as I'm picking up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, into the corner here, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Counting that first loop. So there's 7, and then we are going to pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 one more time, and then there's 3 stitches remaining. So we are going to do that. And then again, oops. And then again, we're pulling up a loop. Oops, sorry. We are supposed to skip that first vertical bar and go into the next loop all the way across. And then we are picking up a stitch in this loop here. And then pull through 2, all the way across until you have 3 stitches remaining. And then pull through all 3. Skip that first one. I'm going to go into the next. Go into the next. Go into the next, and then pick up a loop here, pull through 2, and now we have 3 remaining, so we are going to pull through all 3. I'm going to keep going, so skip that first one, go into the next, and then go into the next one, and then pull through 2, you have 3 remaining, pull through all 3. Skip the first one, go through the next, here, and then go through this, then pull through all 3, and then slip into the next here. So we can start to see we have these triangles forming, and then again in this L space we are going to pick up our loops again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 and 6. All right, so we have a total of 7 loops. I'm gonna pull through 2 at a time until we have 3 remaining to get to our triangle. So we have 3 remaining, pull through all 3, skip the first one, go into the next, all the way across. And go into this guy, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, then all the way across. Skip the first one. We are gonna go through the next one, this, and then pull through 2, then we have 3, pull through all 3, skip the first one, going into the next, and the next, and we are gonna pull through 2, and then pull through 3, skip the first one, going into the next, and the next. Now we just have 3, pull through all 3, and then we are going to slip stitch into this corner here again. This section. So we're just gonna go in single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, oops, 8, 10, 'Then we're just gonna go around, single crochet this, all around this corner here. Okay, and then I think once we reach, okay, so I'm just doing single crochet around here. When you see the straight edge, you know you're just gonna single crochet, but anytime you see the L, that's when you start working here. Like you see the L is coming up here. So here we'll start our triangle again. And so, oops. So then I'm just gonna do, pick up a loop all the way across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 6, 6, and 7. All right, so make sure we have our 7 again. Okay, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, all the way across until you have 3 stitches remaining. And then we are going to pull through all 3. And the next one, skip that. I'm gonna go into the next 2, 3, 4, and then go into the next here. And then pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay, got 3 remaining. So basically we're gonna work our triangles all around here. Okay, so we're gonna skip that and go through. Then go into the next here and pull through 2, pull through 2, got 3. Skip the first one through. Right, skip that, and now pull through all 3, and then we're gonna slip stitch into the corner of the next diamond so we can start our next triangle. So we're gonna go across, picking up loops for 5, 5, 6. So now we have 7. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I pick up one more. 7. Okay, then we're just gonna work 2. Oops, until we have 3 remaining. Skip 1, go to the next, go to the next, go to the next. Then we are going to go into the next, work 2, work 2. And then pull through 3, skip that, go to the next one. Basically, we are working those triangles. Oops, going into the same here, but should be the next one actually. Okay. So pull through 2 and then pull through 3, skip that, go to the next one. Okay, pull through all 3, then slip stitch into that top corner there. We have one more triangle to work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oops, 6, and 7. pull through 2, pull through, oops, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Then you have 3 remaining. Skip that first one, go into the next, go into the next, all the way across, then going into the next, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 3. Skip the first one, go across, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 3. Skip that first one, go to the next, and then through 2, pull through 3, and then skip the first one, go into the next, go into the next, pull through 3, skip, and then just slip stitch into the corner here. Then once you get to the straight edge, we are just going to single crochet all the way around here and just slip stitch into that first triangle that we made. So let's go through the edge, single crochet all the way around. Oops. Single crochet around. Okay. Just single crochet around, just a regular. Right. Right, so we're almost done, and then we just want to slip stitch into that first triangle we made, and that's it. That is how you create a little finishing or a little border for your entrelac. It's not, you know, just open stitches here and it kind of lays flat, so it's a nice way to finish off your entrelac project. Make sure to work your triangles into the L's and then just single crochet the edges, and there you go. That's how you do a border for your entrelac. Hope you liked the tutorial. Please like, comment, subscribe, and follow along. Hit the notification bell so that you get all my notifications. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.